Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about the AWS EC2 instance. We have previously discussed about the virtual machines. Virtual machines are nothing but virtually designed operating system that are built on top of the hypervisor. Likewise, the cloud providers like AWS, the Google Cloud Platform, or the Azure from the Microsoft, or the DigitalOcean, these all of the cloud providers have a huge number of servers installed somewhere around the world, like the California or the San Francisco, or somewhere in the London, or somewhere in the Tokyo, or somewhere in the India. They have huge number of the servers that are deployed, and those servers we can able to access using the APIs, and the AWS will provide some APIs to use those machines, those dedicated machines, onto our local machine. First of all, for that reason I am going to show you how we can able to use those machines in our local system. Before that, we need to log in into the AWS, and once we go over there into the AWS, we need to move into the EC2 instance. There is a lot of navigation videos. You can go with those all the things, and you just need to sign in as a root user. Once you could able to do that, you have the EC2. Under that you have the instances. You just need to launch the instance. Over there you need to give your name, that this is my test machine. And you need to choose the operating system. As I previously discussed, that server is bare metal onto which we have some kernel, and to use that kernel, to use that server, you need to have some operating system. I'm choosing that operating system. By default it is Ubuntu, lightweight, 2.2 GB. And once you do those all things, you need to check whether it is a free tier or not, or else you will get a huge bill for this. And here you have the key pair login. You need to create one. I just use test machine, and you need to create a new pair. What is exactly this new pair? What is exactly .pub or .pam? Wait a second, I just have to name this machine that it is a test machine, and I have to create a new key pair that is downloaded into my local machine. And what exactly this key pair is? Key pair are nothing but username and the password that are present as a file to access your virtual machines. Now only you have created a virtual machine named test machine, and to access this test machine into your local system, your computer, you need to have some authentication, right? That authentication is provided by this PUB file or PAM file. Once you are done with those all the things, you need to create you need to launch this particular machine. Okay, I launched it, and it will be completed within a span of 5 seconds. Okay, it is done, and you just need to click on this particular thing, and here click on this instance ID. You will get a public IPv4 address. Just copy this thing, and what you need to install some software like MobiXterm. What is MobiXterm? When you are accessing your EC2 instance into your local machine, you need some sort of a software. For Linux or Mac, they have built-in software through access to access those machines, but for Windows there is nothing as such. You need to go into the MobiXterm, and you need to download a home edition through which you can able to access multiple EC2 instances, like multiple virtual machines. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can able to go with the MobiXterm. We have copied the public IP address of the EC2 instance, right? We need to paste it over here. First of all, we need to go into the session section, and under which we have the SSH. We need to click on the SSH. After that, we need to paste the public IP address of the EC2 instance. We need to specify the name. What exactly is the name of that machine? It is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a machine name. Ubuntu is a machine name, and we need to go into the advanced SSH setting, and here we need to specify the private key. For your knowledge, the public key, like the private key what you downloaded from the EC2 machine or the Amazon, it is not accessible everywhere. Like it has some restriction. It has chmod restriction. I already discussed the chmod in my previous video. If you not gone through that, please visit that. In the chmod we have three types of access: root user and the team user and the normal user. Root user, it must have a root user access, read access, so that it can able to access that, but it doesn't have. How to get that? You just need to go over there where you downloaded your PEM file. You need to copy the path of that, and you need to open a bash script. You need to open the bash script. Here we have the bash script. You just need to paste the location over here, and you need to give 400 access to that particular key. What is 400? 4 means read, 2 means write, 1 means execute. Means at first position 4 is there, second position 0 and 0 is there. Means at a first position it is 4. That means the root user need read access. Once you click that, and you are done with it. Now after that you just need to go over this MobiX term, and you need to click on this search, and we are already given the access to this PEM file. You need to open this PEM file, and once it is done, you just need to set up this, and it is done. Now you can able to access the EC2 instance that is present in the AWS in the MobiX term, that is in your local system. You need to update the machine into the newest version till up to date, whatever there is updates that are available in the Ubuntu that are installed using sudo apt update. Sudo means the super user, apt means the package name, update means update whole of the Ubuntu. Now you can able to use this. Just need to clear it, and if I just create the file mkdir hello world, it is created the file. Just list the file as we have over. We have successfully accessed the EC2 instance that is present in the AWS into a local system. This is how we access EC2 into a local system. This is all about it. Thank you.